Hey y'all, I have 6 weeks, I think, until this ball that I'm going to attend. And I left off exactly where my video left off, where I made the shift, the bum roll, and the stays. So now I need a petticoat, and that's what this video today is going to be about. So I am going to make an 18th century petticoat. Read a few blogs, and that's about the extent of my research on 18th century petticoats. And I don't want to overcomplicate this, I just want to get it done. But I figured I would bring you with me anyways. I have already pre-washed my fabric, and I have 4 yards of this polyester fabric. I couldn't find the exact fabric I was looking for, so I just went ahead and said, let's get this. Let's iron it and then we'll get started. So after I finish ironing all of this, I need to take some measurements. I need to put on my foundational garments, and then I want to measure from my waist where I want this to sit all the way down to the floor, and then I need to figure out where I want my hem to sit based on that, or based on my dress. So I might have to Google a little bit of, the hem of a chemise à la reine before I decide on that. And then I think using those measurements I can kind of figure this out. This is a judgment-free YouTube channel, if you were unaware. Let's say about here. 44. Okay, so I've taken the 4 yards and I have folded it over so it's 2 yards each. And then I'm going to cut it, and those will be my front and my back panels. So using the measurements that I took earlier, I'm going to cut this so it falls on the floor, and then I'll probably hem it 2 inches from there and give it some room just in case something happens to it. I've hemmed the 4 yards total, the 2 pieces at 2 yards. I think one of them may be a little wonky, but I don't know that I care that much to go back and fix it, because I just eyeballed it. So my notes here that I wrote down after reading multiple blogs say that the front piece, you do a box pleat in the center, and then you do knife pleats out to the edge, where the back piece, you do an inverted box pleat in the center, and the knife pleats go towards the center. Now I have the front and the back pieces like this, and they're two separate pieces. And I'm going to stitch up the sides and leave about a 10-inch gap on the side so that if I want to have a pocket, I can put a pocket underneath there. I haven't made a pocket and I don't know if I'm going to yet. I don't think you can see. I think the length is a little long, but I can roll it. I think it'll be okay. I like longer. If I really cared about it, I would do a French seam, but I'm just gonna serge up the sides and then sew those together. Apparently after that, I didn't write anything down other than attach a waistband and ties and no measurements or anything. So what I'm doing is I measured the front and the back pieces and I made like a waistband, and I'm going to, I think I have twill tape around here somewhere, so I'm going to just insert some twill tape for the ties at the side, and that will be it. And then I'll have a petticoat. Then I have to really decide what I'm doing, which is the scariest part of it all.